The Knockies Aire 2 TWS with pop-up window. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new versions of the Aire 2s by Knockies, which features better sounds and a pop-up window. This was sent out for me to review. As always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a lightning cable for charging. On the back of the box, you see that it features the wireless charging case. And just to go over some brief specs, it has 4 hours of listening time, 20 hours with the case, 1 hour to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 and an H1 type chip. It has touch controls. Charging case uses lightning and also wireless, and it has improved sounds. Let's take a look at one of the main features with the pop-up window. This is the exact window that pops up when you have the Apple AirPods. As you can see, it's very quick to pair. The window shows up as you open the lid. All you have to do is click connect, and then it's paired. It's very clever on how they are able to utilize this function. And here's the case on a wireless charger, and you can see it charge. Here is a side-by-side comparison. I have the Aire 2 on the left and the Apple AirPods 2 on the right. It is pretty much identical and difficult to tell. The Apple AirPods 2 do have the manufacturer markings on the back of the case, and it's a bit heavier. The lid on the Aire 2 doesn't feel as tight as the Apple AirPods, and there's a little bit of play. And here are the earbuds side by side. Again, very hard to tell. It's almost identical. They have the left and right indicator markings on the bottom of the stem. The Aire 2 also features the touch controls for navigating playback and calls. Now let's look at the weight. The Aire 2 case comes in at 28 grams, and the Apple AirPods 2 case comes in at 41 grams. The Aire 2 earbuds come in at roughly 7 grams, and the AirPods 2 comes in at about 8 grams. And here's a microphone sample for the Aire 2. This is a test of the Aire 2 TWS microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Call quality is decent and it comes in pretty loud and clear. You can also use the earbuds in mono, left or right side, individually if you prefer. Watching videos with an iPhone, I didn't experience any latency or distortion. Range is pretty good as well. So here are my thoughts on the new version of the Knockies Aire 2 TWS. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I did find them to be very comfortable, just like the Apple AirPods, as the design just allows it to sit outside your ear canals, so you can wear them for long periods of time without feeling any pressure in your ear canals. It does lack some support, so it may fall out easily if you try to run with these, just like the Apple AirPods. Build and quality is pretty decent. Plastic construction all around, and very similar to the Apple AirPods. It's really hard to tell the difference. Now let's talk about the sound. It's definitely an improvement from the original Air 2s. The lows are pretty good actually, and it seems better than the original ones. Don't expect a hard-hitting punchy bass. It's present, but nothing that will really stand out. Mids and highs were okay and come in clear and clean. The treble was just enough and it wasn't too bright. And testing various music genres, it was a pleasant listening experience all around. Overall, I think this is an improvement from the original version across the board. Are there better sounding earbuds in the same price? Absolutely. But if you're after the AirPods look, feel, and sound, then this is definitely the version that will do it. It's priced at a fraction of the cost and it offers many of the features that the AirPods 2 has. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.